I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
We're the Crafty LumberJacks. We're really excited to be here for Worx tools and chatting all things MakerX.
MakerX is a system of tools made for makers, crafters, and DIYers.
Yes, they have all the tools you need made better, smarter, more precise, portable, tools designed with you, the creator, in mind. You know, when it comes to the MakerX, you may think hobbyists, DIYers, things that you work in your garage or your craft room.
But now they've branched out to the culinary world with their new airbrush accessory, the Food Safe Airbrush.
What's so cool about the MakerX system of tools is that it is portable and battery operated. All the tools plug into the main hub here, and then this main hub plugs into the 20-volt power share battery.
Yes, and you can use these batteries for any of the 20-volt power share line, meaning your drills.
We even use them for our garden tools, our hedge trimmers.
You get a lot of use out of these batteries.
Yes, and now the main hub is more portable than ever because it comes with an accessory belt clip, and it also has a USB port. Now, although we mostly make crafts, we also like to get our hands dirty in the kitchen, so we're really excited for this tool because now we can create edible masterpieces with a personal touch.
Yes. Now, this is the Food Safe Airbrush. It comes as an accessory, so it's just sold as the nozzle, and as you can tell by looking at it, it looks exactly the same. In fact, it's very similar. The only differences is that the internal parts that touch any paint are made with non-toxic components, making it food safe. Now, you attach it to your pump just the same way as you would the airbrush.
Yes. The other difference is that it has an orange handle there, so you won't mix it up with your regular airbrush.
That is so smart.
Yes.
I would totally switch it up.
Now let's take a closer look at the airbrush here. It plugs into the main hub like so. And then let's see what type of attachments we have here. We have the nozzle here, which gives you ultimate control and precision. We have the feeding cup or the paint reservoir. You put your food coloring in there, and then you pop the cap on. You want to make sure that's nice and tight. And then back here, the orange nozzle is the paint volume adjustment screw, which will either give you a narrow spray or a wider spray, depending on what you're working with. And then of course we have the airflow nozzle here, which will basically turn it on and off. To start it, you want to turn on the main hub here, press on, you hear it going. And then once you're ready with your airbrush paint in there loaded and locked, you click this to start getting airflow. This is really so exciting because you can unleash your imagination in the kitchen and create colorful designs on cakes, cookies, desserts, and so much more.
I'm really hungry right now. This tool allows you to blend, add accents, shade, write script, and use stencils in so many different ways. It's really gonna take your cakes, cupcakes, cookies to the next level.
Yes. Now, our tips when working with the Food Safe Airbrush is make sure that you're using the correct food coloring in the airbrush. It might take a bit of research, but they really sell any of that at your local craft store or any kind of culinary store. Yes.
Another great tip is to test everything before you attack your baked good.
Yeah.
Use a scrap piece of paper when you add your food coloring to the reservoir just to check that the machine is working properly, to check that the color is perfect before trying it on your cake.
This is going to take all of your culinary creations to the next level, keep it colorful, beautiful, with your own personal touch.
Yes, we can't wait to see what you create, and please send us some.
Yes, we're hungry.
Bye.
Bye.